Oh, dang it. Got my fanny pack. Watch out, fanny coming through. Oh, dang it. Gotta take out trash. Don't be like the rest of the people leaving garbage. The biggest difference between the trails here in Las Vegas and then in St. George, Utah, 2 hours away, is you'll see as soon as I start in this wash, this is starting at the end close to town, it is full of garbage because everybody's a bunch of animals. Then you can ride the trails all day long, just about anywhere in Utah and St. George, especially that St. George, Duck Creek, that whole area. Beautiful. No trash anywhere. Nobody there would ever litter. Like, it's so sad. It's pretty nice out here, and then people just destroy it. Like, you see garbage right there. More garbage over there. You'll see this shit everywhere. When I first moved here, I rode in this. Your leg's burning. Probably looks like nothing on the bike, but you can hear it in the motor. And drag and brake down the hill. Oh, this is the last one. This is in the shit. I've been down over here before. Oh, it's everywhere. Like an animal. Oh, there's a light behind the trail. Get out of here. There's a trail too. Look at the trail over there. There's one on them. Oh. Oh! Oh, dang it! I don't know what I was thinking trying to start in the middle. "40 years strong." Ah, dang it. Catch my breath. Oh, dude, what a cool trail. There's the city, there's the Spear, there's the Strat, there's my house. Alright, let's turn this bad boy around. I'm just gonna go back to the truck. I only got one more bottle of water. It's actually kind of warm today. It's like 90, I think. It's the easiest way to turn around on a hill. Yeah, then you can just rock the front. Boop, boop, boop. Look at that, we straight. I tried digging from there. You can see I tore it all up. And then right at the end here, it just kept it, you know, it got a little steeper. I almost had it. If I would have stayed in it, that would have been no problem. I just taking it easy. I should be doing some work stuff. It looks like another trail up there too. We're coming back here. Maybe come back here another day, earlier in the day. Oh. Holy shnikes. Oh. Oh. Shnikes, boys. What are you thinking? Ah, these literally nothing if you just stay in it. Ah, it's so cool. I gotta remember this. All this stuff, I call it fool's dirt. This stuff, it looks like it's dirt, but it's so loose, it's just a pile of gravel. Might work to do fight. This is a bad bike right here. Gotta hit that down there. Come over the hill, gotta slow it down. Drop the tripod now so we can do everything. See if I can find it. There it is. Right where it left. Ah! Now I'm the Hawaiian shirt guy. Man, I don't know how people ride without music. I love having music.